Analysis codes. You can create analysis code in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. After you create analysis codes, you can link transactions to analysis codes and you can generate reports analysis codes wise. You can create up to 3 analysis codes and you can create unlimited analysis categories. You can rename your analysis codes and you can create analysis categories. You can check this in Use checkbox and you can save. You can use these analysis codes for create jobs, projects, departments or branches or cost centers. Based on your company requirements, you can create analysis codes. After you create analysis codes, you can link analysis codes to transactions. Example, you can link your analysis codes to customer invoices. After you create analysis codes, when you enter transactions, analysis codes will display. Customer receipts, you can view analysis codes. If analysis codes not display, you can set by clicking this settings button. Click settings button. Select customize grid. Check on analysis codes. After you create analysis codes and you link to analysis codes to transactions, you can generate reports analysis codes wise. You can view financial reports. Example, profit and loss report. You can group by analysis code and you can select analysis code. You can view analysis code wise profit and loss report. You can generate account transaction reports. Like that, you can create your analysis codes and you can generate reports analysis codes wise.